Hello guys, today I've got the HONOR MagicPad 4 and I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth not pairing in this device. So at first you need to open the settings and here open Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth for a moment, I'd say 10 seconds, and then turn the Bluetooth back on. Then try to pair to your device back again. Apart from that, you can try to restart both devices, and I mean both, like your Bluetooth device and headphones. So at first you need to hold the power and volume up buttons, and here hit restart button and touch to restart. Now you need to restart your Bluetooth device. If these are headphones or something like that, it doesn't really matter. It should be good. Put your device in pairing mode correctly. Make sure that your Bluetooth device is discoverable. On the headphones, it's mostly hold the power button or some pairing button until flashing light. On speakers, you need to press Bluetooth or pair button. And on some smart devices, you need to check the manual mode because here we have many things. If it is not in pairing mode, the tablet won't see it. The tablet, yeah. Forget all connections. At first, go to the settings and here go to Bluetooth. Here, as you can see, we can use our pencil like the example. Tap this info icon and tap unpair. You need to do this because sometimes old pairing data blocks new connections. Move closer and reduce interference. Keep devices within 1 meter. Turn off nearby devices, nearby Bluetooth devices, and avoid Wi-Fi routers or crowded signals. Everything should be nice afterwards. And that should be it. Goodbye.